So hello friends, today I'm back with a new video. Today we are going to make a 3 dot loading screen animation using HTML and CSS. You can see the preview how it looks. So let's start coding. So friends, let's start coding with firstly we need our basic HTML template, and after that start coding into body section, and we need a div called loader. And into that div we all need our spans name loader element and close the span, and then we copy all of this, copy paste this 3 times, and all the run into our HTML section, and after that start coding into CSS. Firstly we have to set the color into our root section, and then point color, and then also we can define the size, maybe 5 pixel, and then start coding into our div set the background color first, and here we don't have to set the color, we can define with main or main color. That's also the same color we set first, and then overflow hidden, then with 100% and height also 100%, and then position fixed, position fixed, top 0 left 0 0 left 0, and then display flex, and align item centered, and align content also centered, align item center, align content center, content is also centered, z index z in 100, maybe that's enough. And after that into our smaller div called loader elements, border radius 100%, border radius 100% to make it round, and we set the border color at first, border size also, so that we don't have to define the size as solid, and also, and after that margin also the same, maybe that's enough. Look at the preview to see the difference what I am doing. Then start putting into our in child 1. In child 1 means first one. We set our animation preload 0.6 second, maybe 0.6 second, ease and out, alternate infinite, and we can copy paste all of this, and then change the end child to end child 2 and also end child 3. Then also we need to change the alternate infinite time, that's 0.2 second, and this infinite time also changed 0.4 second. And after that we need to define our preloader keyframe, preloader 100% transform scale to scale 2. Then all done into our HTML CSS section also. Then you can see the animation how it looks. So all of that